Welcome everyone, I'm the Smoking Chef. Thank you for joining me and subscribing to my channel where I prepare food for family and friends.
Our journey through the winding roads of southern Greece have led us to a picturesque village of Platanos, a traditional settlement with an abundance of water, a natural environment with dense growth. It's lined with narrow cobblestone streets and old houses with wooden shutters, all set among a variety of fruit trees. With a stunning landscape supplying over 80 species of herbs and plants, and with an abundant wildlife, it is the ideal location for my next adventure. Together with my granddaughter Zoe and my wife Thalia, we're set to explore and prepare a symphony of authentic flavors by using ingredients found in this beautiful and quaint village. Here I discovered the essence of Greek cuisine.
Good. That's good. I think our people are going to enjoy watching this.
Of course.
Nice to
She
see
wanted to do something special for you, so.
Well, thank you so much. Hey, welcome to Platanos, and with me today I have Anna, who is in charge, the chef and the owner of Anna's Inn in Platanos, most beautiful village, 440 meters above sea level. The reason we're back here is because of Gianni.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. And
it's a pleasure to see you here. Thank you.
And today we have a special recipe for you, and we'll start by showing you the mise en place for the marinade. Gianna, καλώς ορίσατε. Ευχαριστώ που με δεχτήκατε.
Να είστε καλά, είναι μεγάλη μας τιμή και χαρά μας να μαγειρέψουμε μαζί σας.
Θα μαγειρέψουμε, τι θα μαγειρέψουμε σήμερα?
Αγριογούρινο, που είναι εδώ από τα βουνά τα δικά μας. Αυτό είναι ένα εξαιρετικό κρέας, εντελώς αγνό.
This is the wild boar, which is actually hunted right behind us in the village that I've showed you earlier. And this was brought to us especially for, we can make this recipe today. Ordinarily, we don't have it in the summertime, but today, this is a special meal for us and for all of you. So as you can see here, we have the wild boar meat, and you can see the meat is very lean, but it's very dark, very red. The reason for that is because it has a lot of iron content. And this meat is the best meat for the least amount of cholesterol. Έτσι δεν είναι? Έχει το λιγότερο χολεστερίνη αυτό το κρέας.
Ναι, βέβαια, γιατί και αυτό δεν έχει καθόλου φάρμακα, δεν έχει αυτά που τρώνε.
No steroids,
τίποτα. Είναι
nothing.
μόνο με ρίζες και με φυτά ταϊσμένο.
The wild boar, obviously, in the forest. And basically, let's see. Oh, it smells of forest. Absolutely delicious.
Εντελώς βιολογικό.
Let's start with the mise en place for the marinade. Κυρία Άννα, για δείξτε μας λοιπόν τι βάζουμε στο μαρινάρισμα.
Στο μαρινάρισμα βάζουμε ένα ποτηράκι λάδι, το ανακατεύουμε πάρα πολύ καλά.
1 glass of olive oil.
Θα βάλουμε λάδι εκεί.
There's no, okay. Okay. All right. Και μετά?
Λοιπόν, βάζουμε το λαδάκι. Βάζουμε πιπεράκι κόκκινο.
We have red pepper, as you see here. Red
Ένα
pepper.
κουταλάκι του γλυκού το θέλει.
Δηλαδή,
Ναι.
είναι αρκετό αυτό, μην
Κι
λίγο
άλλο
πάρει.
λίγο.
Α, έτσι.
Κι άλλο λίγο. Μπράβο.
There we go.
Ωραία. Λοιπόν, πιπεράκι μαύρο.
Black pepper.
Ναι.
Όλο αυτό.
Όχι, μία κουταλίτσα.
Καταλήτσα.
Έτσι.
Νομίζω είναι αυτό αρκετό.
Να το γυρίσω λίγο εγώ.
Ναι.
Το κρέας.
Πάμε μέσα.
Ναι.
The garlic powder, yeah.
Σκόρδο, αποξηραμένο.
Yeah, dry garlic powder. Garlic powder.
Σκόρδο αποξηραμένο.
Εντάξει.
Αυτό που είναι η γεύση.
Ροζ.
Μικρολίβανο, μερικά.
Για κλονάρια. Τα μετάμε. Θα τα βγάλουμε έτσι.
Λίγο, ναι.
Rosemary. This is perfect, right? Okay.
Πολύ ωραία. Αλατάκι, μια κουταλιά.
Μια κουταλιά.
Και
Πείτε
πάρα
τα γάντια. Τα γάντια μου το χεράκι είναι πιο καλό, έτσι.
Μπράβο, ναι, σωστό. Αυτό το στέγει και το βοηθά να πάρει μέσα τα αρώματα και να μην του δίνει μια ιδιαίτερη το αλατισμένο από την πρώτη μέρα. Να έχει και το αλάτι. Μερικοί δεν βάζουν αλάτι, εμείς το βάζουμε.
Ναι. Το καταλαβαίνω. Το μαλακώνει.
Ναι.
You need the salt obviously to make the meat more tender, and at the same time while the mixture is going on, and it's the fact that it will stay 24 hours in the fridge, all the flavors will permeate throughout and will give you this fantastic tender and tasty meal. And you notice I have a supervisor here watching me, making sure I'm doing it correctly. Λάδι παντού, έτσι δεν είναι
το
αυτό?
το φτιάχνει αυτό.
Να το κάνουμε το μασάζ λιγάκι, έτσι.
Και του κρατάει τα αρώματα.
Είναι αρκετό αυτό?
Ναι. Μπορεί να του βάλουμε λίγο ακόμα πιπεράκι κόκκινο με το
Κόκκινο,
πιπεράκι.
βάλτε το εσείς τώρα για τα δικά μου χέρια είναι βρώμικα.
Α, ναι.
A little more red pepper.
Έτσι
She
από
can
πάνω.
tell. Just by
Φέρε
looking.
χαρτάκι, Γιάννη, για να σκουπιστεί το
Ναι.
κουμπί. Για να του κρατάει.
Ναι. Λοιπόν, βάζουμε το λάδι πρώτα. Let it get really nice and hot. Το κρεμμυδάκι μπαίνει πρώτα, έτσι. Okay.
Δεν το έχουν βάλει λάδια πολλά.
Νομίζω αρκετό,
Ναι,
Λίγο
ναι,
ακόμα.
ναι. Ναι, αρκετό.
Τι?
Λίγο. Ναι, για να το μαράνει.
Ακριβώς. And obviously we're looking for the red onions to be totally caramelized before we put them and infuse them in this beautiful sauce. Λοιπόν, τώρα, the oil has been hot and now the wild boar. That's what we want to see. See, the sizzle is what we want. To saute the wild boar properly. And as you can see, the pieces are a little larger than normal. So we want to make sure this gets sauteed really well on each side. I would say about 3 to 4 minutes. And the reason we're sauteing it so well is because we want all the flavors to permeate this delicious meat. And look at Anna doing all that work. Look, you can see exactly the kind of golden brown that we require on this meat. And remember, the meat's very lean. We removed all the meat.
Θα ξεκινήσουμε να βάζουμε τα υλικά του.
Okay.
Το-
This is the marinade sauce that we had everything been marinated in. There we go. Και μετά,
Το ντοματάκι.
we put the tomatoes, diced tomatoes. I would say about a cup, diced finely. As you can see, the fire is on high.
Για να πάρει λίγο η σάλτσα, το ντοματάκι να ψηθεί λίγο.
Yeah. We want the tomato to get a bit of a flavor, to release some of its water and become a little more tasty that way.
Περίπου,
About that. This is the tomato paste. As you can see, it's 2 tablespoons. We now lower the temperature to medium.
Το κρατάκι.
And a glass of rosé wine. Here we go.
Αλατάκι λίγο.
Αρκετό.
Ναι, εντάξει, φτάνει.
Now here we'll put the rosemary exactly the way it is. We're not doing a bouquet garni. There's no need for that right now. We put 3 rosemary sprigs. We have 5 bay leaves. And these are all the different peppers that we have. We have peppercorns, red peppers, Indian peppers, and we also have the cloves. You can see the cloves in there as well. We're adding about a cup and a little bit more of water because we don't want everything to be too dry. I don't know about you, I'm getting really hungry. Now we put the pot back up here on the fire. And the onion is caramelized, as you can see. Ωραία, μπράβο. Και πόση ώρα το αφήνουμε τώρα για να βράσει?
Θέλει 1,5 ώρα, 1 ώρα και μισή.
It requires about an hour and a half at a lower temperature than we have it right now. There we go, cover it. You know, since we're on a break and we're outside, I can actually enjoy my cigar. And while Anna is getting the egg noodles that we're going to prepare to go along with a wild boar. You're going to love this.
About it. I love cooking. I love everything about international kitchen. Not only the Greek, of course, but find so many things.
It's a very healthy cuisine. They call it the Mediterranean gem.
Yeah,
that's what Greece is all about, the Mediterranean
olive oil,
gem.
I think it's amazing.
Absolutely. And you guys have a beautiful hotel.
Thank you.
And I hope a lot of people come here. I know you have a lot of mountain climbers in the wintertime.
I know,
right?
They're coming.
And nature lovers, right?
Yeah, and they're hiking. They're going to the river. They're going everywhere. They love nature.
That's great.
Because I think it's such a big city. They can't live there anymore for all the days. I love it.
Εγώ δεν χρειάζεται να πω τίποτα. Cough,
Yeah.
cut. This beautiful, beautiful sauce that we have here was transferred from when we were cooking the wild boar into this pot, and this we are going to use to put this homemade egg noodles. These homemade egg noodles have been made up here for generations, and Anna will show us exactly how it all comes together. Stay with me. Oh, as you can see, this is boiling beautifully, and now Να τα βάλουμε μέσα.
Ναι.
Όλα.
Τώρα
Σιγά.
ξεκινάμε.
Here we go, the egg noodles.
Κατέβουμε.
There we go. Oh yeah, there we go. Beautiful. Για πόση ώρα το ανακατεύουμε?
Για μα.
Thin. Look how beautiful they look already. Absolutely gorgeous. Πάω καλά, κυρία Άννα, τι λέτε?
Πάρα πολύ ωραία, τέλεια. Πολύ θα ήθελα να σας έχω βοηθό. Πάρα πολύ.
Το υπόλοιπο δικό σου.
Μόνο.
Oh, it smells so nice.
Περάκι, μήπως θέλει.
Let's see what it is.
Οι γεύσεις του βουνού.
This is the taste of the mountain, as she says. Let's see.
Μαγειρεύουμε με λίγα υλικά, γιατί δεν υπήρχαν πράγματα από τώρα. Με παραδοσιακά χειροποίητα, αυτά που είχε ο καθένας στο σπίτι.
Absolutely delicious, guys. You're going to love this recipe. But it does need a little bit of salt, so we'll just... Κυρία, να βάλουμε λίγο, αλατάκι παίρνει,
Εσείς το δοκιμάσατε, μπράβο, πολύ ωραία.
Okay, that's fine. Μια χαρά. As you can see how nice and thick it's getting now, but we have to keep stirring it so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. The temperature is medium. My granddaughter and I are anxiously waiting to find out how this meal turned out, right?
I'm so excited.
Well, I know, so am I. So anyway, in the meantime, I know you have water, but I have wine. Cheers. Well, finally it's here, and we are going to try some of this. These are the egg noodles that were just made. Let's try.
These are good.
Oh, delicious, aren't they?
really
Really tasty. And now let's try the Wild Boar. Here we go. Oh, wow. This meat is out of this world. It is can you just taste all the flavors? You taste the garlic, the rosemary, the peppers. I think absolutely fantastic. Oh man, we got to have a little more of this. Guys, if you're ever in Greece, and if you come to the village of Platanos, you have to visit Anna's Inn, and definitely ask for Gianni. Gianni, would you be good enough to put a little bit of that cheese on me? By the way, Gianni not only speaks English fluently and Greek, but another 4 languages.
Yeah, thank you.
He
Io parlo francese, io posso parlare italiano, io posso parlare spagnolo e io posso parlare portoghese.
Exactly what this sauce is like. Oh man.
Yeah.
Your mother is a great cook. Cheers. Remember, like, subscribe, and ring that bell. And thank you for watching. Cheers.
And as the sun sets, I will always treasure this memory with my granddaughter.